Hi, this is Andrea Schulman again, and in today's quick law of attraction video, we're of course going to talk about the law of attraction, but how it really works and how to use it effectively. And there's some important information here that a lot of times is missed when it comes to understanding and applying the law of attraction. But first, if you're watching this video on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications because I do release new law of attraction inspired videos like this one every single week. Also, if you enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Your engagement really does help promote my work here on this platform, and I truly do appreciate it. All right, so I wanted to make this law of attraction video on how it really works and how to use it effectively, because there's a lot of miscommunication out there about how to apply the law of attraction. And this is a big one that I want to impart to you today. The law of attraction is not going to respond necessarily to what you say or even to what you think. Rather, the law of attraction responds to your vibration. And to put that in words that are perhaps a little bit easier for most people to understand, the law of attraction doesn't care what you say, it cares what you mean. And this is a very important distinction. A lot of people learn about the law of attraction and they attempt to think thoughts to attract things that they want, or they attempt to say things to attract what they want. And it's true that those things can be helpful, but only if the meaning behind those words, behind those thoughts is meshing well. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you're dating somebody new and you want to use the law of attraction to get him to call or to take you out on another date or to take things to the next level. And so you attempt to say things like, he's going to call me today. He's going to call me today. He's going to call me today. Or think in your mind of him asking you on a date. Asking you on a date, asking you on the date. But instead of feeling the way you would feel if he called, the way you would feel if he asked you on a date, which would be excited, instead of feeling that way, you feel bad, or you're worried he's not going to call, or you feel kind of a sinking sensation in the pit of your stomach. The words that you're saying or the thoughts that you're thinking are not corresponding with the actual vibration that you are putting out there. And so a lot of people will get frustrated with the law of attraction because they will try affirmations, they will try journaling, they will try thinking or visualizing, but what they're missing is that the vibration, the feeling is actually the most important ingredient. And if that is off, you will not manifest desired results. You just won't. So be mindful with whatever strategy it is that you're using, that the meaning is there. And so your game as somebody who's consciously creating your reality to make actual changes, structural changes in your reality. You don't change what you say. You don't change what you think. You have to change meaning. You have to change the underlying vibration. And so getting new results with the law of attraction is really about changing that output. So that output is really at the belief level. And so the game is really all about rewiring your belief structures. That's the game. In order to get different results than what you've been getting, you have to be projecting different meaning and different beliefs. Now, I've got a few videos on shifting beliefs, and so I will try to remember to link them up below in the description if you'd like to check them out next. But remember, if you really want to change your reality with the law of attraction, empty words mean absolutely nothing. Empty thoughts mean absolutely nothing. They have to have the meaning behind it in order to be truly effective. All right, thanks for watching today's quick video on the law of attraction, how it really works, and how to use it effectively. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. And if you are new to my work here, I would love to invite you to take my Law of Attraction Challenge. If you would like to see how your thoughts create reality, I've designed a test to show you just how to do it. And to take that test now, go ahead and look below in the description for a link. Thanks again for watching today's quick video, and have a great day. Bye-bye.